Come on. Come on.
Crawl, baby, crawl. Crawl to Dad. She understands. Crawl, baby. You can crawl. Yay, you can crawl. Come. Come. Come to Dada. You can do it. Bless you, Pup-Pup. Crawl. Delana, crawl. Crawl to Dada. Good girl. Her legs might be getting...
There you go.
Good girl.
Now what you gotta do?
Keep going forward. Keep going. Keep going. Yay. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Get him. Get to Dad. Keep going. Keep going. Your legs will follow. There you go. The other one is still totally... Daddy, flip the other leg around if you're going to flip it around.
There. Say, crawl. Come on. Come on.
Come on, big girl.
Come on.
Yay! Come on.
Come on.
Get your Dada.
Come on. That would work in the pool.
She moves. She makes distance. It's just an interesting process.
You silly. Whoa.
Good job, Lonnie.
Come on.
Yay! I say it's crawling.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh. If you don't learn how to crawl soon, I'm going to have to tie a rope around your neck.
She's
And pull
crawling.
you like this.
It gets her where she wants to go eventually.
Get a choker.
What?
Get a dog choker.
No way, Jose. Her daddy wouldn't let anybody do that.
No. Woo!
That
Superman
works.
did.